2. Faulty immobilizer antenna. When the immobilizer antenna is faulty and the key is inserted into the ignition switch, the system may fail to detect the presence of the key's transponder chip. As a result, the immobilizer system activates and blocks engine starting. There are two main methods to diagnose the immobilizer antenna. Method 1. Antenna tester. Place the key inside the antenna tester and insert the key into the ignition switch, turning it to the on position. If the antenna is functioning correctly, the LED will flash. If the LED does not flash, the antenna is very likely faulty. Method 2. Homemade antenna tester. You can build a simple antenna tester by winding a copper wire coil and connecting an LED to both ends of the coil. Place the key inside the coil and turn the ignition switch to the on position. If the LED illuminates, the antenna is operating correctly. If the LED does not light, the antenna is faulty. One of the most common causes of antenna failure is damaged wiring. To diagnose this condition, check continuity from the antenna connector to the immobilizer module. If continuity is not present, damaged wiring is confirmed and must be repaired. To accurately identify wiring routing, it is essential to have the immobilizer system wiring diagram, since this system may be integrated into different modules. Using the vehicle's wiring diagram is the most efficient way to locate the antenna circuits. Using a multimeter, check for proper 12-volt power supply and ground integrity at the circuits identified in the wiring diagram. If power or ground is missing, damaged wiring is very likely and must be repaired. Also, check continuity of the communication circuits between the immobilizer, instrument cluster, BCM, and ECM. In most vehicles, the immobilizer system is integrated into one of these modules, and if any of them loses communication with the ECM, the immobilizer will activate and block engine starting. If continuity is not present according to the wiring diagram, damaged wiring is confirmed and must be repaired. 4. Damaged key transponder chip. The key transponder chip contains the engine start authorization data, which is a unique code read by the immobilizer system through the antenna. When this component is damaged, the authorization data cannot be read, causing the immobilizer system to disable engine starting and illuminate the immobilizer warning light. To properly diagnose the condition of the key transponder chip, the key must be tested by a specialized automotive locksmith, since they have dedicated transponder readers. If the transponder chip is faulty, a new transponder must be programmed. I recommend watching the following videos on the channel, where you will learn how to identify failure symptoms and solutions for the various sensors and electronic systems in your vehicle.